Barrett Sotheby's International Realty is really the premier real estate company in our area. And I knew that not only was I with a great agent, but with a great agency. I really enjoyed working with Gretchen, and I always felt that we had a nice collaborative relationship. She has a strong finger on the pulse of the market. So the house that I owned was built in 1800 on Main Street, and it's an antique. It's a very unique set of buyers. So she did a really great job of finding that sweet spot between appealing to people who understand history and historical homes, but also who understand luxury and high quality. And so I had a clear idea that this was the right way to market the house. Even, I know this sounds silly, but even the signs are attractive. And the people who ended up buying my house, they said that they saw the coming soon sign and literally said, that's the house we're going to buy. When you're a seller, price really is the most important aspect of a sale. She knew exactly what the right price point would be. I trusted her, and she was right. We sold within 5 hours above asking price. The first people who saw this house bought this house, and that's because it was priced properly. So to me, Barrett Sotheby's International Realty means quality.